Hello, Libra, and welcome to your weekly reading for January 27th through February the 3rd. We've got everything set and ready to go. Your three stones that will help you the most this week are amethyst, which is the intuitive eye. It helps you seek clarity. This is a chevron amethyst. It's relaxing, healing, brings contentment, but it also brings clarity. Your second stone is mahogany obsidian, which is very protective. It repels negativity, especially negative people. It's very grounding. It removes energy blockages and helps you to reclaim your power. And your third stone this week is turquoise, which is all about communication, problem solving, and speaking your truth. The Tibetan monks see turquoise as very sacred, and they say that it unites the sea and the sky. The sea meaning the depth of your soul, and the sky meaning unlimited ascension. Thought that was really neat. Your rune is the Iawaz rune, the rune of safety, patience, perseverance, strength and reliability, endurance. So you are in it for the long haul, but you have to be a little patient and show that perseverance and endurance. So already the stones are telling me that you do need some clarity on some situation, that you feel that you need some protection and help in reclaiming your power. And the turquoise is saying that you need to speak your truth and communicate with others. So let's see what the cards say. The Moon Lodge calls for retreat at this time. Maybe the retreat for this healing and seeking clarity and speaking your truth. The giveaway ceremony speaks of release, the same kind of thing. It means to release the old things in your life that no longer serve you. And that can be things from your home that you give away, but more importantly, what you release from the inside, things that are no longer serving you and your dream. The war bonnet says advance. After you have spent a little time retreating and releasing, it is then time, after you've reached some clarity, that it is time to advance and use truth as your protection. The bottom of the card is the power place. Very strong card. Earth connection and empowerment. You need to spend a little time in nature and absorb the power of the earth. We have the seer, which asks you to see beyond the current situation. And that's what amethyst will really help with. Father Sky says to trust in the unknown. You are being watched over and taken care of. And the eagle here also, it represents a higher perspective. Look at the big picture. Then we have the arrow. Surround yourself with protective energy. And that's just what our obsidian told you. I love it when the cards match the stones. It's amazing. Mirror Guardian says, take time to reflect. And the snake says to shed the old skin, let go of the old, and start brand new. Snakes shed their skin because they outgrow them. So it's time for a different level. Time to level up. Woo, yay, prosperity lies ahead. That's always a good one. It's time to take action. And that's exactly what the War Bonnet card said too. So you need to do a little inner work and release, but then it's time for you to do what is in your mind. Follow your dream. Nothing is yet set in stone. And that's very true. We can change anything that we don't like. If something doesn't work, we can do it another way. Don't let it stop you. Because you're very close to achieving your goal. Be bold and make the first move. Okay, that is your third action card this week. It's definitely time to take action. Canary Spirit says, sing your own song. So no matter what you take action on, do it your own way. Put your own stamp of uniqueness on it. Sing your own song. Koi Fish Spirit reminds us that there is always enough. Not only in material ways, but you have enough imagination. You have enough power. You have enough energy to do this. There is always enough. Frog Spirit tells you to clear out the clutter. This can be around your workspace, around your home, because we also had the giveaway ceremony. Release, let go of the things, the old things that no longer serve you. So that can mean cleaning out your house and giving things away, but it really also speaks of inside of yourself. Clear out the little nagging clutter, the doubts, the things that are holding you back. And Eagle Spirit reminds you that Spirit has your back. And this is the second Eagle card that you have. Look at the bigger picture. Trust in the unknown. Spirit has your back. And on the bottom of this deck, we have Dove Spirit. Oh, I love this card. Dove Spirit says, be peace. Not be at peace, not seek peace, not try and find peace. It is already within you. Just be peace. Okay, and our Stone People medicine card is the Eagle. Okay, are you getting this message? It couldn't be much clearer, right? 3 eagles in your reading. Trust in the unknown. Spirit has your back. Look at things from a higher perspective and don't be afraid to fly. Wow, that was amazing. Woo! Okay, so you need to spend a little time this week in nature. Reflect. let go. Then it's time to take action. We have 3 action cards as well. And know that you are being protected, watched over. Spirit has your back for the whole thing. It's just incredible, incredible reading. So we're going to place amethyst, and because it brings clarity, we're going to put that on the seer, which says see beyond the current situation. Look at the bigger picture. Then we have our protection stone, the mahogany obsidian, which helps you to reclaim your power. And it is very protective. And we're going to put that one on the arrow. Surround yourself with protective energy. Turquoise, the communication, problem solving, speaking your truth. I'm going to put that on sing your own song. Whatever you're doing, put your own original stamp on it. And then we have our rune, which was patience, perseverance, strength, motivation. And I think we're going to put that on one of these action cards. We'll put it on the war bonnet, on the advance. Don't be afraid to advance. You are being protected, very much so. And then we have at the end, I just started doing a quote at the end. Your quote for this week is reach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. So I hope you enjoyed your reading, Libra. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.